Have a wild Christmas, everyone, from you know who, Gardener Gone Wild.
And productions.
And productions. And this little one,
Mr. Teeny.
And Mr. Big Dog,
who you can hear in the background. But everyone have a great 2021.
Yes.
It's gotta be better.
Definitely.
So bye.
Bye. See who wants to go. Time of year when you have a little ducky. I think she's on camera shy now. Isn't she adorable?
Aww. Kisses.
So anyway, this is the time of year to get a little cute critter and just spend some quality time. I don't see why you need to do anything else. Hey!